Rich and creamy mushroom soup, and here's how to make one bowl from scratch using Justme Soup Maker. You need some red onion, mushrooms, crème fraiche, some stock, garlic and dried thyme. Chop your veggies up nice and small. I think for the better flavour it's a good idea just to give them a little sauté with a bit of garlic, bit of thyme, knob of butter. Then put your ingredients into the soup maker. Make up 200 millilitres of stock and then pour inside the machine. Select the smooth programme. This lasts 19 minutes. It will cook first and then blend your ingredients. Remove the lid and then pop in a good spoonful of the crème fraiche. Replace the lid and now select the blend function on your machine. This is a 10-second burst, but it will mix together the crème fraiche and that lovely soup. The rich earthy scent from the mushrooms is just so inviting. Pour out your delicious soup into a bowl. This Justme Soup Maker makes one perfect bowl, so it's ideal for using up those last few mushrooms in the fridge. Pop a dollop of crème fraiche in the top and stir in some black pepper. Comforting, full of flavour and utterly satisfying. This is Justme Soup Maker.